Lipstick on your glass. The club is closing down. Let the last song pass.